Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, January the 17th, 2025. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles, and the first one I will do is the 3 star Sudoku. What's the news of today? Well, it's not the news, but maybe preparation for Monday. Trump will be inaugurated on Monday. That's the news. Yeah, on Monday. Okay. 3 star Sudoku number 9920. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 27. Should be a 1 star puzzle. 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated by publisher with a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 7 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left with 7 should be there. So now we have 3 missing numbers in the first column. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. How about the 9 in this row, 9 in the third row, so the row 3 in the middle row, the second row, the only place left with the 9 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left with 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. Okay. 3. Need a 3 there. 3, okay. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1, it should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3, the only place left 8 should be there. Well, in this row, we have 4 missing numbers. Here came one of the missing number in this second row is number 3. Here came 3 because we have 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, here, or there. Well, I need a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. So the only place left with 3 should be here then. So the 2 other numbers should be the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left with the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2. Need a 7 here. Need 2 there. 2, 5, 8. In this big square, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8, 2, 5, 8. And look, we have 8 in this row. No 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 8 in this big square should be here. So the 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column. So the column 3 in the second column. Now only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the last row, no 2 there. The only place left with the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so row 3. Only place left with 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the 4, we have 1 now in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for 4 should be there. 1 box left now in the second row for number 1. 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, and the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay. How about the 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next? So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 1. Then 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and then 9 goes and there. 1 box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing here. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 now in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Then, for 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4, 9, 4, 9. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing, 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 box left now in this column for, oh wait, 4 and a 5 are left. Yeah, we have 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5, and 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6 and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, we solved it again faster than 15 minutes. So definitely 1 star, maybe a 0 stars, because 0 stars need to be faster than 30 minutes. But we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.